introduce the catty.
This is Mojo.
This is Mojo the cat.
So we've seen Lulu.
She is a jungle cat.
So
A jungle stray.
She arrived here, didn't she? And she's been in here ever since.
Look.
And again, Monty's been a really good boy and looked after her.
Okay, go in your bed then. Alfie.
I think she wants to lie down, doesn't she?
No, she wants to lie down, Alfie.
There's
Let her get
Mojo.
in her bed.
She's gonna lie down now.
So,
She basically sleeps in anything that's available. The other day there was a
There's
wheelbarrow here that was just temporarily there. And
Lulu's
so,
going to the kitchen. I'm not sure she's allowed to get there.
Lulu.
and so the wheel. So Mojo.
I didn't think so.
And Mojo's just eating her stuff, her food.
The
Hey, Lulu.
Mojo
Hey, Lily.
got into the
Hey, Lily.
Mojo got into the wheelbarrow and just slept there for hours when they wanted to use it. And then the other day, yesterday I think, they just cleaned out their cool box. And when it was all clean, Mojo got in there and slept in there. So they tried to put their food in it, and they were like, "Oh, there's a cat in there."
This morning she was on sleeping on top of it last night. So she's fine. She finds the place that's in the middle of everything. That's like a temporary bed.
Typical
and
cat.
Tries to make it last
Always.
as long as possible.
Can you come around here? She's just eating her food.
Is that where her food is
Which
kept?
doesn't look
Guys,
very
guys,
comfortable.
have we showed you? The bar stools aren't stools; they're bar swings.
Yeah. That's fine.
It's a cool place here, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've had a good time here. So time to move on though tomorrow, isn't it? We have to. I know. We all feel the same, but it's an adventure.
Please like, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on. And if you saw the last Lulu thing, we forgot to say like, subscribe, and turn the notifications bell.
Okay.
So let's just say we did.
Signing off, yeah?
Okay, bye.
Bye.